Emergency broadcast.
We're sorry. All circuits are busy now. Will you please try your call again later?
Hello YouTube preppers, this is the Comms Prepper with a video about the ANKER Astro Pro2 20,000 milliamp hour external battery pack for laptop computers and mobile devices. I got this for my birthday from my wife, and it's actually a pretty neat device and very flexible, and that's why I'm doing a video. I think this has a lot of applicability for emergency communications and prepping in general. If you lose a power cord or you need to charge somebody else's device, this little unit is very flexible. It comes with a wide assortment of adapters for the different DC input jacks on mobile computing devices. It comes with an assortment of adapters for this USB connector for different mobile phones and mobile products and things of that nature. What's really neat about this device is the output voltage is selectable, and it goes up to 19 volts, so you can actually run laptop computers. So this little button here you push, and it gives you a little scale here to check its charge. I'll turn it over here so you can see the side of it. You have a USB output for charging like cell phones and iPhones and things like that. This sliding switch is a selector switch for selecting the voltage, 19 volts, 16 volts, or 12 volts. You have an output port, input port. It's charged with an AC wall adapter. So this takes 120 volts AC, converts it, giving you 19 volts DC out to charge the unit. And it's a very flexible device. So for the first demonstration here, I actually put the adapter on the back here for the Ocean Radio's 12 volt DC input charger. So I'm going to slide the switch down to 12 volts, connect it up to the output for 12 volts, and there you can see the Ocean Radio is now charging off the ANKER external battery. So we're getting 12 volts out, and we're charging the Ocean Radio. Now I'm going to go ahead and disconnect that. I'm going to change the voltage to 19 volts and come over here and connect it to this cheap Dell laptop that I have that I really don't like. But before I do that, I'll show you why. A long time ago the battery died and I lost the power supply, so I just put some tape in there to cover it up. But this is something I take with the Bugout bag radio, so if it gets broken I'm not going to be heartbroken over it. But I can't get a replacement battery, and I lost the AC cord for running it. So this is a perfect example to demonstrate the flexibility of this external battery pack. So I'm going to go ahead and plug that in. I'll open up the top of the computer here and hit the power button, and soon you'll see that thing boot up. And now the laptop, which I don't have a battery for or an AC adapter for, is actually running off this external battery pack. We'll give that a second to boot up. And there's the Windows screen. So I think if you take a look at this site, and I'll put a link down below, you might find this would be a good item to add to your emergency communications kit, or maybe even your Bugout bag, because it really is flexible and offers you a lot of options for powering and charging mobile devices. And as always, thank you for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. This has been the Comms Prepper with a video on the ANKER Astro Pro2 20,000 milliamp hour external battery pack.